What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a sketch illustration of a wolf. Let's begin today's lesson by setting up the building blocks of our drawing. Now we move to the side grip. Using the flat edge of our pencil, let's sketch out a circle. Starting from the very top, just going to work our way around the left side. Just lightly bring that in towards the center. And then go all the way around the right side. Now with our circle in place, we're going to add a couple guidelines. Let's start at the very top of our circle and sketch a line coming down towards the bottom of our page, and we'll extend that up towards the top. Let's add another guideline going across from left to right. Starting from the center of our circle, extend this out towards the left, and go all the way out towards the right side. Now we're going to be drawing this character from the side, so let's start with the ear. Starting from the center of our circle, we're going to draw a straight angle line going up towards the top on the right side to right about there. And I just want to angle this back down on top of the head, just past the left side of that center line. From the base of the ear on the left, draw a straight angle line coming down and out to right about there. Let's flatten off the edge of the muzzle. Starting down here, angle this down and back. Let's move back to the left side of our circle and draw that same angled line coming down and across towards that right line. And then we'll round out the bottom of the mouth. Starting from the end, curve this down and then bend that in. Let's angle the neck coming down and then in toward that center line. And then we'll slope the back of the head, starting from the base of the ear, coming down and out. Now right where this line meets the edge of the circle, we're going to step in and sketch a small circle for the eye. Now let's add a second level of detail. Let's start with the nose. From the tip, we're going to step back, just going to curve this down and then forward towards the right. And then we'll round out the bottom edge of the muzzle. Starting up here, curve down, and then bend that in. Now I'm going to wrap the bottom edge of the mouth underneath the muzzle. I'm just going to bend this back up towards the top. Let's round out the front of the forehead, starting from the edge of the circle, come down, and just bend that out on top of the muzzle. Now we're going to add a fold along the side of the head. Starting from the base of the ear, come straight down toward that center line, and then bend that forward towards the right side, just underneath the chin. And then from the left side of the eye, curve this out, and then bend that down toward that center line. Now once we've established the shape of our drawing, we're going to go back and lightly erase some of these guidelines. And now that we have our clean drawing, we're going to go back in with the tip of our pencil and start adding some details. Let's start with the top of the eyelid. Starting from the right side of that circle, I'm just going to bend this across and then down towards the corner. Let's round out the front of the eyeball, going around and then down towards the bottom. And then we'll add a dark fold along the inside. Let's darken up the top of that fold, going around the eye, and then just fading that out towards the right. I'm going to darken up the inside of the eyeball and just fade that across. Add a small oval in the center, and we'll darken that up. Now I'm just going to continue to add some more shading inside the eye. Now from here we're just going to work our way around the eye, adding that fold on top, using the side edge of our pencil, and add some shading around. just going to add a shadow line across the side of the eye, going down. And then moving up to the top of the head, it's going to add some more shape and detail. Start with that fold. And work our way out towards the nose. Let's add that fold on the side of the nostril. Just darken up the inside and fading that out across the bottom. And then darken up the nose going up towards the top. Now just working our way down towards the mouth, just adding a little bit more shape as we go. And just pulling this up towards the edge of that circle. And we'll bend that down across the corner. Then using the side edge of our pencil, we're just going to darken that up. I just want to soften up the bottom of the mouth, coming in towards the neck, and we'll bend that down. Now I'm going to go back and add a little bit more shading inside the head. And darkening up the top of the muzzle, going out towards the nose. And then we'll fade that down across the front. I'm just going to add some fur across the front of the forehead. And working our way up towards the tip of the ear. Adding a dark shadow inside the ear and all the way around. across the back of the head. I'm just going to angle these lines going up and out with the side edge of our pencil to create a little bit of fur texture. And we'll fill the rest of the head and neck area with some fur. And now we're going to go back and enhance the shadows and create some contrast. I'm just going to lightly fill the rest of the head with a light fur texture. Now with the tip of our pencil, we're going to add some more contrast and detail to that fur texture. Just going up with these short lines and just working with the curvature of the head. I'm just pulling these hairs across the back of the head. And then bringing that texture along the inside. Just adding a little bit more fur across the bottom of the head. And a little bit more texture along the inside. And we'll add some light spots across the front of the muzzle. And as we get closer to the end of our drawing, we'll tighten up our shadows and add a little bit more texture, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a wolf. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.